life is full of sex. It is, I think, a common understanding, a common agreement, but something that we don't contemplate so much, the fact that we were created through sex. This is what created us, the activity of sex. We are made of sex. It's the foundation of our psyche. It's the foundation of our body. And it's not unreasonable to assume that everything in the universe is made in exactly the same way, that every creation starts with sex. We can very easily think of the Big Bang. It even sounds like it, right? Like a huge orgasm, cosmic orgasm of explosion of sexual energy. And when you are starting to understand that, you will find sex everywhere. You will find sex in nature, not only the actual sex, but sexual energy. You will find it everywhere. You will find it in nature, in interaction with people, in the sky, and even in your breathing. Even the breathing is a sort of a sexual act, right? This constant communion with the world. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. It's to a certain degree we are making love all day long. Now the thing is that when you are beginning to experience it, it's like it's a sort of an erotic feeling in the air. Eroticism and creativity, they are deeply connected. So you feel that there is some kind of sexual energy, and the question is if we are able to hold it, to live with it, to experience it without immediately looking for a way to waste it. You see? This is how our thinking goes. It feels all this energy, and it immediately wants to use it, to waste it. And so it becomes fantasies and so on and so on, images. But here is something to understand, that life is full of sexuality in an erotic sense. Like what we really mean by erotica is feeling sexuality without and holding it, living with it, living with these juices of life. So it's in the air, it's everywhere, and it also constantly flows from our sexual organs. And the task is to be able to experience it constantly from within, flowing, spreading from our sexual organs. It is also one of the things that we learn, in meditation. We learn how to achieve inner joy, or how to achieve inner love. There's something, an energy, a quality that does not depend on others. So this is exactly here also the case. Just like you experience inner stability or inner joy, you experience inner sexuality. It's constantly flowing. It's a part of it's interacting with the world. The sexuality within you and the sexuality that is outside you. Now you can ask, but why would we need it? And the thing is that we dramatically need this sexual energy. We need it, first of all, for joy of life. Remember the dry or the juicy monk. Someone who is joyful, inwardly deeply joyful, is someone who is full of sexuality. But again, remember, not sexuality exactly, because sexuality can be immediately an expression. I'm talking about erotica. It's an erotic feeling. So it fills us with joy. It fills us with clarity. Immediately I will talk about clarity. It fills us with creativity. Much of our creativity we draw from sexual energy. It is directly related to spiritual transformation. We actually have to have sexual energy for transformation, for Kundalini arising, and so on and so on. I will speak about it also. So it's joy, it's creativity, and it's also bliss.